Hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I am back with another video. Today I'll be coming with something different. I'll be making avocado banana ice cream and I've served it with some granola. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So this is a very simple video and we'll only be using 3 to 4 ingredients. Yes, you heard me right. So the main ingredient is the avocado or the pear as we in Jamaica call it, and it has to be an overripe pear. So as you can see here, this is a medium-sized pear and I'm fighting here with the seed to get it out, but I have a trick. You just use the knife and jam into it and voila, the seed is out. Then we're just going to slice it. It doesn't matter how you slice it because you are going to put it in a blender. So it depends on how powerful your blender is. Then you'd decide how big or how small you want to slice it. So here we have the slices, and as I told you before, it is rather an overripe pear. So I'm just going to give this some cuts, some smaller cuts, because I don't want to mash the blender. Yes, it's soft, but your girl have to preserve her stuff. So I'm going to cut these a bit smaller and I'm using a bullet. Now you can use a blender, you can use whichever food processor you want to use, but I'm using a NutriBullet. Because it's now avocado season, I'm trying my very best to do as much recipe as I can using avocado, and as you all know, it is a healthy fat, so it's better to use this than butter and everything else. So I'm just adding it to the bullet now, as you can see, and once I've completed adding these avocado pieces, I'm then going to get my banana, and also it is an overripe banana. You can use more or less banana depending on the flavor that you're going for, how powerful you want the banana flavor to be, because you know that banana tends to have a bit of an overpowering taste. Once I've added the bananas to the bullet, I'm then going to add my milk, and I'm going all natural, so I'm using coconut milk. Now you can use cow's milk or cashew milk or whichever milk you want to use, but I'm just using some milk, and I'm using about 1/4 cup of milk, just enough to blend the banana and the pear, the avocado. So, and you know that the blending does not take a long time. Within a minute or so, it should be soft enough. And if you don't have a blender, you could mash your avocado and your ripe banana, beat it, whisk it, whatever you want to do. So here I have my container, and I'm just going to pour the blended mixture into the container. Look at the color, look at the texture. It is so beautiful, it is so creamy, and this is so healthy right here. So once I've done this, I'm just smoothing the top. You can even skip the smoothing. I'm then going to cover and put into the refrigerator. Yes, and allow to freeze. So now you can freeze it overnight, but I couldn't wait. So after 4 hours, this is what it looked like. You are going to see this ice cream in a next video. And here am I serving the ice cream. Guys, I'm telling you, this is to die for. This is delicious, this is creamy, and overall this is healthy. I've served it with some granola with raisins and cranberry, rice seed and pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, you name it. This is so filling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend. Until next time, it's your girl Anna.